Welcome back to Brother English. Today is special. This is our Season 1 finale. And today, we are not teaching. We are testing. Can you speak English without stopping? Can you answer naturally without translating in your head? Let's find out.
In this episode, we will give you real-life questions. Your job is simple. Pause the video. Answer out loud. Train your brain to think in English. Ready? Let's begin.
Before we start with daily life questions, let's warm up your brain. Question 1. What time do you usually wake up? Pause now.
Good. Now, question 2. What do you usually do in the morning?
Question 3. Do you prefer coffee or tea? Why?
Great job. Now let's make it slightly more difficult. This time, answer in full sentences. Imagine you are at a hotel. Question 1. You arrive early. Your room is not ready. What do you say politely?
Question 2. The air conditioner is not working. How do you explain the problem?
Question 3. You want a late checkout. How do you ask politely?
Very good. Now let's test something more personal. Can you express your feelings naturally? Question 1. What makes you feel happy?
Question 2. When was the last time you felt nervous? Explain why.
Question 3. How do you feel when you speak English?
Now, this is the final round. No simple answers. You must speak longer. At least 3 sentences. Question 1. Describe your perfect weekend.
Question 2. If you could travel anywhere, where would you go and why?
Final question. Why is learning English important for your future? Take a deep breath. You just completed Season 1. How did you do? Did you stop often? Did you translate? Or did you speak naturally? Be honest with yourself. Progress is more important than perfection.
Remember, polite English opens doors. Practice daily, speak confidently. See you in the next episode of Brother English.